This Groovesell review is positive about this amazing affiliate and sales software application that is crammed with powerful elements. This free add-on to any GroovePages account makes it very easy and simple to build effective sales funnels for any online marketer. Groovesell makes it possible to market unlimited products or services through unlimited sales funnels, which means that you can start and manage your own affiliate program with the Groovesell app. The app is totally free and there are no transaction fees. Groovesell is a cloud-based sales platform that gives you the ability to create professional websites, sales funnels and checkout pages with unique offers. You can also add order bumps, upsells, downsells, cross-sells, and much more. Groovesell is also a compelling new affiliate and sales management software created by Mike Filsaime, the developer of the Groove digital marketing platform. It provides online marketers with every tool they would ever need to sell physical and digital products or services online. Initially, Groove Digital wanted to charge $99 a month for the software to compete with services such as Samcart and paid Kickstart. But because it was launched at the beginning of the pandemic, they decided to give it away for free. Turns out to have been a good move, because now it is a main contender in the marketplace. How long it will remain free is anybody's guess. So make sure to get free account right now, because once you have your free for life account, you have it. This wonderful software is built on cutting-edge technology and created by someone with extensive marketing knowledge. What I love about this world-class digital sales platform is that it integrates with all the other Groove tools for online marketers. The Groovesell application will create a personalized affiliate program with full analytics and tracking, unlimited product or service funnels for unlimited affiliates, variable pricing configurations such as one-time, recurring and installment payments, upsell and downsell offers as well as effective order bumps to increase sale transactions, all without the customer having to re-enter their payment details. Full integration with various leading email marketing suppliers, custom-made shopping cart and checkouts, with additional payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe and others. And the great news is that there are no transaction fees, that's right, 0 monthly fees. To conclude, Groovesell is a world-class digital platform that has been carefully designed for selling any product or service online, and is ideal for you if you are an internet entrepreneur, digital marketer, online seller, speaker or course creator who wants to sell something online without having to spend lots of money to do so. Here you have a fully comprehensive cloud-based software platform that takes care of every aspect of your selling process, including top-notch customer support. The opinion of this Groovesell review is that this is a great choice for anyone who wants to sell effectively online. For more information, visit the website and use the link below this video to join, so you will benefit from some great bonuses. Go ahead and click the link now.